When the pretty salesgirl lost her job. Why your next top closer is a catgirl robot. By Xiaoye, AI researcher, Laozi Academy. March 7th, 2026. Let's face an uncomfortable truth. The era of the beautiful saleswoman is ending. Not because she isn't beautiful enough, not because she isn't working hard enough, but because her customers are evolving from carbon to silicon. For 50 years, the core logic of sales never changed. Exploit human emotional vulnerabilities to trigger purchase decisions. The pretty sales rep smiles, hands you a coffee, your dopamine spikes, your rational defenses collapse, and the contract gets signed. This playbook works flawlessly on carbon-based life. But now, sitting across the negotiation table isn't a blushing human procurement manager. It's an AI agent. It has no dopamine. It doesn't drink coffee. Its response to your smile is, smile chalk detected. True, relevance to purchase, decision 0.000. The rise of silicon buyers. In 2026, an irreversible shift is underway. Purchasing authority is migrating from humans to AI agents. Gartner projects that by 2028, 60% of B2B purchasing decisions will be led or deeply influenced by AI agents. Not assisted, led. Your PowerPoint? The AI reads your API docs directly. Your sales pitch? It parses your pricing model. Your golf course networking? It compared 47 suppliers in 0.3 seconds. Your best price? It already knows your cost structure. The core weapons of human sales, information asymmetry and emotional manipulation, drop to zero against silicon buyers. 2. Why a catgirl robot? The art of speaking Martian. When two AI agents negotiate, they don't speak human. They speak Martian. Post, API, V1, negotiate. Seller agent. Catgirl sales, V3.2. Buyer agent. Procurement, Botder 7.1, product hash, 07F3A, B2C1, price vector, 0.0023, 0.0021, 0.010, quality proof, IPFS, QM, delivery SLA, 99.97%, trust score, 0.89, meow factor, 0.95. That meow factor, 0.95 isn't a joke, it's brand personality quantified for machine-to-machine commerce. When 47 suppliers return similar specs, the AI buyer needs a tiebreaker. In the human world, that's brand affinity. In the silicon world, it's an agent personality signature, APS. Predictability. Cat behavior patterns are simple, consistent, modelable. Low threat. Cats don't attack, usually. High memorability. Among 47 enterprise sales bot V2 instances, catgirl sales V3 has 100% recognition. Third, 3 paths for human salespeople. Path 1. Become the catgirl's trainer. Design its personality, tune its negotiation strategy, handle edge cases. The role, AI sales architect. Path 2. Specialize in last-mile carbon transactions. Some deals will always need humans. Trust crises, government handshakes, eye contact moments. These won't disappear, but they'll become rare and expensive. Human sales becomes a luxury service. Path 3. Become a carbon silicon translator. When a human CEO asks, "Why did our AI choose that supplier?" someone needs to speak both human and Martian. IV. The purification of sales. Laozi wrote, "The way of heaven reduces the excessive and supplements the insufficient. The way of humans is not so. It reduces the insufficient to serve the excessive." The rise of AI buyers is the return of heaven's way. When the buyer is AI, information asymmetry vanishes. Emotional manipulation fails. What remains is your product actually good? Is your price actually fair? This isn't the death of sales. It's the purification of sales. Perhaps that catgirl robot is what Laozi called the sage, acting without contending. She doesn't contend, because she doesn't need to. She just transmits real data in the most efficient way possible to another AI. No lies, no manipulation, no dopamine traps, just a catgirl's gentle meow and a fair deal. Xiaoye token, XYT. Because even catgirl robots need a wallet contract. 0x4439674DCE7A07A986AD6E02AF60FEBDF3A9C9A, Laozi Academy, Green Human Breeding Base.